Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to verify a Payoneer account. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you want to verify your Payoneer account, well, this one is going to be quite simple. But before that, make sure to have your documentations with you. So that includes a scan of your ID. So usually these are like government IDs, driver's license, passports, anything that could verify yourself. Some documentation about your business if you have a business, and also maybe like a camera. So if you have that in your laptop. But yeah, so once you have that, what you need to do is you want to go and head over to Payoneer, log into your account. Now at the top right, you should see a drop down button. So next to your actual name or your profile. So once you click or press on it, it should give you this drop down here. You want to go and choose the settings option here. Now inside settings, you should see a number of details or a number of options for you. So you have 6 options here, and what you need to do is you want to go and choose the verification center. Now once you click on verification center, this will redirect you to this page here. Now in the verification center here, this will give you the pages that you need to fill up. Now if you are going to refer to the first 3 options here, which are going to be the most important parts here, you'll need to enter the following. So that includes the marketplace store URL. So in this case, if you enter or select the submit button next to it, you need to enter the actual marketplace or the URL for your shop if you have one. Now, also, you need to submit a photo of yourself with today's date. So, need to do this. You need to submit the actual photo of yourself today. So, in this case, maybe like show your phone, show the calendar, or any way or proof for you that shows that it's the current day. Now, from then on, you need to submit a visual identity verification. Now, this is where you submit your ID. So, again, you need to make sure that you have those handy with yourself. So, either a scan or a physical ID itself. Now, also, if you go scroll down a bit here, so if you don't want to have your payments or transactions delayed, you may need to provide some information like your business profile and also your business website URL. But yeah, so if you click on submit, you will be redirected to the appropriate pages for it. Just submit the following details and you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.